Hello, today I'm going to show you how to hand pollinate Opo squash. Pretty much any squash like Opo squash, any gourd, you can hand pollinate for better production. If you hand pollinate, you're pretty much getting 100% pollination. If not, you're gonna get like 50% will grow, 50% won't. So it's better to hand pollinate. Here we have a female flower, a male flower, and you can see the pollen in there. And the female flower will have the Opo fruit. Let me see. Like this one. You can see the fruit here. So this is gonna be the female flower. So what you're gonna do is gonna put pollen on these. And that way it can get pollinized. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna cut the male flower. They don't have many natural pollinators, so it's better to do it this way. And then remove the flower, and you can see the pollen there. All of this is pollen. So that's what you're gonna place on the yellow ones. So you just go around like this. And try to cover as much as possible, and so the pollen stays there. They have a sticky substance, and that attracts the pollen. So that one has been pollinized, and then I'll have an update once the fruit, if it was pollinized correctly, it should grow, and I'll have an update for you. Thank you for watching.